Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. So go ahead to your Google Chrome and try to search for Minecraft. And as you can see, the first link, which is the official website of Minecraft. So click that one. And right here, you can see the Get Minecraft button. So click this one and wait for a few seconds. And here you go. You can choose right here, how do you want to play. So for this one, I want to choose either mobile console or others. So I want to click on computer. And here it goes right here, Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for PC. So you have two option, deluxe collection, or you want a base game right here. So if you want to play on a deluxe collection, just $39.99, so click that buy button. And here you go, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can also sign up for free. So you can sign up with your new account or sign in with your existing account. So right here, after you signed in, you will notice this message. You're almost ready to start playing Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for PC. So you just click this next at the bottom. So here is the method. So you just simply click this next and then wait for a few seconds. Complete this, choose a way to pay right here. For example, I want to use my credit card. And we need a little more info from you. You just put right here your first name and last name. Now, once you've done, you can now put your details on your credit card. So once you've done, you can now click on the save button and you will finally see a download button right here. So you can then download this Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition. So that's it. So as you can see, the number two method is review and confirm. Then the final method is download that Minecraft. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.